Okay, so the doctor orders a heparin drip at 800 units per hour. I'm going to do the orders in blue. Available is 20,000 units of heparin in 500 cc's. How many units of heparin per cc? So this is asking how many units of heparin per cc is available. So that's what we want our answer to be. So units per cc. So this one we're just going to divide 20,000 units by 500 cc's. So that's 40. (40 units per cc). Now part B of the question is asking how many cc's per hour will be administered. So we want our answer to be in cc's per hour. So the order is 800 units per 1 hour, 1 cc per 40 units, and I'm going to write it like that so that we can cross cancel out the units. So then that equals 800 cc over 40 hour, and then 800 divided by 40 is 20, so the answer is 20 cc's per hour. Okay, so patient is receiving 80 milligrams of Demerol IM. So the order is 80 milligrams. A prefilled syringe containing Demerol 100 milligrams in 2 mLs is available. How many mLs will the nurse administer? So we want our answer to be in mLs. So first we have an order of 80 milligrams for 1 dose. And the prefilled syringe contains 100 milligrams in 2 mLs. So we're going to cross cancel milligrams. 80 times 2 is 160. And 1 times 100 is 100. So dose. So that's going, when we divide 160 by 100, that's going to be 1.6 mLs per dose. An adult patient is to receive 6 milligrams per kilogram of gentamicin IV every 24 hours. Patient weighs 210 pounds. How many milligrams of gentamicin should the patient receive every 24 hours? So we want to know milligrams per 24 hours. And when I write out the problem, I'm going to use per day. So milligrams, 24 hours. The order is 6 milligrams per kilogram. We're going to convert pounds to kilograms. So 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. And we know that the patient weighs 210 pounds. And we want to know how much to give to this patient per day, or 24 hours. Okay, so let's cross cancel out what we can. Want to get rid of kilograms and pounds so that our final answer is going to be in milligrams per hour or per day. So 6 times 210 is 1260. And we'll carry over milligrams. And then on the bottom part, we have 2.2 day. So we need to divide 1260 by 2.2. and that gives us 572.727. Using the rounding guidelines, we're going to change, and actually that's milligrams per day. So using the rounding guidelines, we're going to change that to 572.73 milligrams per day. And on the test, we should write it actually as per 24 hours. And that is the answer. The new order is to add 30 millicues of potassium to every 1000 cc bag of 0.9% normal saline. Available is potassium chloride 20 millicues per 10 cc vial. How many cc's of potassium should you add to a 1000 cc bag of 0.9% normal saline? So the question is asking how many cc's should you add to a bag? So the answer is going to be cc's per bag. Our order is 30 millicues per bag. Available is 20 millicues per a 10 cc vial. So let's cross cancel out millicues. 30 times 10 is 300 cc's. And 20 times 1 is 20, so 20 for the bag. 300 divided by 20 is 15, so our answer is 15 cc's that we're going to put in the bag. You receive an order to administer meperidine 1.6 milligrams per kilogram per day. IM in 6 divided doses over 24 hours. How many total milligrams will you administer to a 38-pound pediatric patient? So since it's asking for total milligrams that you'll give to the patient in a day, we don't have to worry about the 6 divided doses. So our answer is going to be in milligrams per day. Our order is 1.6 milligrams per 1 kilogram per day. And we are going to convert kilograms to pounds. So 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. Our pediatric patient weighs 38 pounds. And we want to know his dose for the day. So cross cancel out kilograms, cancel out pounds. 1.6 times 38 is 60.8. And then carry over milligrams. 2.2 times 1 is 2.2. That's day. 60.8 divided by 2.2 is 27.636 milligrams per day. With pediatric patients, you either just keep the weight calculations in the calculator and then you carry it to 3 decimal places and then round it to 2 decimal places. So we're going to round that to 27.64 milligrams per day.